Music and movement are closely intertwined. The creation of sound requires movement, and conversely, experiencing sound can inspire voluntary or subconscious movement. Central questions in this research are whether we can create a computational model of the fundamental human activity of moving to music, which computational mechanisms are most suited to generate this type of creative behavior, and how such models should be evaluated. As part of my research, I've collected a dataset of improvised dance. 30 dancers with previous improvisation experience were asked to perform to 6 different musical stimuli, which vary in terms of tempo, tonality, and pulse clarity. In total, the dataset contains approximately 9 hours of improvised dance. Using parts of this data, I have performed some initial studies on generating movement using a recurrent neural network in combination with a mixture density network. This approach has the advantage of both generating real-valued predictions as well as control over the diversity and randomness of sampling, allowing training to account for situations where we may consider multiple predictions to be equally viable. During early training, the model produces a lot of strange but interesting behaviors, like breaking the rules of what is physically possible for our bodies to do by growing and shrinking at will, or this shaky dance, where most of the movement is in the hands and feet. In my experience, even these strange behaviors can be perceived as sensical when the music that accompanies it makes sense. And so examining more closely how we can use audio features to condition the model to produce different ways of moving may tell us more about the multimodal relationship between sound and movement. Thanks for listening.